Tired of being tethered to your phone to share those amazing desktop-rated Instagram stories? Well, buckle up, because we're about to unleash the power of your PC onto your Instagram presence. Content creators, graphic designers, and anyone who loves crafting visuals on their computer, this is for you. We're going to walk you through how to effortlessly post your Instagram stories directly from your PC, unlocking a seamless workflow that keeps your momentum going. First up, we're diving into the browser extension method for this. We'll be using Google Chrome as our example. While there are several options, a popular and reliable choice is an extension that specifically enables Instagram posting from your desktop. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for terms like Instagram Post or Desktop Instagram Uploader. You'll find various extensions designed for this purpose. Take a moment to read reviews and check their features to pick one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen an extension, click Add to Chrome. The extension will then install, and you'll typically see its icon appear in your browser's toolbar. You might need to grant it permission to access your Instagram account. Now, when you navigate to Instagram.com, this extension will usually add a new button or option, often resembling a plus sign or a camera icon, right alongside the existing Instagram interface. Click this new button. This will open a familiar File Explorer window, allowing you to browse your computer and select the photo or video you want to share just like you would on your phone. You can then edit, add text, stickers, and all the usual story features. You'll have access to the same creative tools while you're adding text with different fonts and colors, incorporating stickers, drawing, and even applying filters. It's a full-fledged story editing experience right from your desktop. When you're happy with your creation, simply hit the share button. Your story will be uploaded to Instagram, ready for your followers to see. This bypasses the mobility limitation and makes sharing your desktop-generated content incredibly efficient. So there you have it, a powerful workaround to post your Instagram stories directly from your PC, streamlining your content creation and sharing process. Give it a try and supercharge your social media marketing.